Little bunny Benny sits down in his chair. Mama brings a plate full of colors to share. Green and red and orange circle round the tray. Benny smiles big and this is what they say. Do you like carrots? Yes, yes, yes. Do you like carrots? Yes, yes, yes. Crunch, crunch, crunch. In your happy tummy. Yes, yes. Vegetables so sweet and yummy. Tiny turtle Tia wiggles by the peas. They roll like tiny marbles right down to her knees. Mama sings a giggle song, soft and low and bright. Tia taps the table and answers with delight. Do you like peas? Yes, yes, yes. Do you like peas? Yes, yes, yes. Hop, hop, hop. In your happy tummy. Yes, yes. Vegetables so sweet and yummy. Puppy Paco's laughing, nose up in the air, sniffing little tomatoes lined up by the chair. Round and red and shiny like tiny jolly suns. He takes a little nibble and then the words all run. Do you like tomatoes? Yes, yes. Do you like tomatoes? Yes, yes. Munch, munch, munch. In your happy tummy. Yes, yes. Vegetables so sweet and yummy. Broccoli trees growing on the plate. Who will visit? We can't wait. Cauliflower clouds, fluffy, soft and bright. Everybody tasting morning, noon and night. Kit and Kira's dancing round the pumpkin pile. Orange cubes are waiting in a tidy little file. She counts them with her whiskers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then she sings the veggie song and asks for even more. Do you like pumpkins? Yes, yes, yes. Do you like pumpkins? Yes, yes, yes. Chew, chew, chew. In your happy tummy. Yes, yes. Vegetables so sweet and yummy. All the little neighbors gather side by side. Plates like painted rainbows, everyone in stride. They point at every color and cheer it loud and clear. Their voices ring together for everyone to hear. Do you like vegetables? Yes, yes, yes. Do you like vegetables? Yes, yes, yes. Munch, in, munch. In your happy tummy. Yes, yes. Vegetables so sweet and yummy. Yes to carrots, yes to peas, yes to every veggie, please. Big strong bodies, hearts that hum. Yes, yes, vegetables, let the veggies come.